Well, he asked, who is Messenger of Allah? Who is the best of the people, Messenger of Allah? He said, the one who's got truthful in his tongue and he's got qalb, heart, Makhmoom. Messenger of Allah, what is Makhmoom, heart? He said, Makhmoom means the person whose his heart, taqiyun naqi, pious and clean. La naqi, clean. Wow, Messenger of Allah. Taqiyun naqi, clean. No ithm, there is no sin. No baghi, there is no transgression. No ghil, there is no malice. And the fourth one, there is no hasad, and that is no envy. Those are the four things. If your heart is clean of this, I repeat them again: sin, which is against Allah, and transgression, which is arrogance, which is baghi, which is transgression as well, means dhulm. It means as well oppression, injustice. Thirdly, ghil, malice, grudge towards your brothers. Fourthly, envy towards the people. So you have a clean heart, naqi, and also taqi. And this is called al-qalb al-makhmoom.